সংলাপ টিভি আজ এবং আগামীর ভাবনা।
Good morning, dear students. How are you? I wish all of you are fine. It's a pandemic situation and overall whole world has been affected by the coronavirus. So our authority has been arranged a online class for us, for you also. And so please you stay with us and you watch the class very sincerely. Okay, students, before starting my class, I am going to introduce myself. I am Kajol Rani Rai, head teacher, Mahaputpur Government Primary School, Shodor Noakhali. Okay, dear students, again I welcome to you all to please you sit in front of the TV and you will watch the class. Dear students, please have a look to the picture. I think you all of you know about this picture because it is my second class, and in my previous class I also details discuss about these things. So again please look at the picture and think. I think you already know this person is doctor, and who is she? Please tell me. Yes, you are right. She is Shima, and she is ill. So she is at home now, and she did not go to school, and she misses a lot to her friends, and she misses a lot to her school also. So her parents asked the doctor to visit Shima, and the doctor visited Shima last night, and the doctor prescribed her some medicine and some instructions also. And yesterday class, that means previous class, we have details discuss what will you do when you will get the flu, what have done by Shima when she has got the flu. Okay, so we know that it's about Shima's story. Okay, what is Shima's problem? Shima has got the flu. Now please look at the picture. What is this? Please think for yourself. I think everybody you know, you are familiar with these things. This is the envelope of our Bangladesh, and there is Bangladesh, the Shohid Minar of, is it Shohid Minar? No, it is Sriti Stambha, Sriti Shoudho. Okay, now please look at the envelope. Here is from and to. So from means who has written the letter, and to whom he or she has written the letter. So here from Shima Ahmed, because Shima has written a letter to Jessica Jones, to her friend. Shima is ill, she is at home, she did not go to school, so she don't meet with her friends, and for this reason she has written a letter to her friend Jessica Jones. And now according to this, we have seen that our today's topic is write to me soon. So what is our topic? Write to me soon. This is the title of our lesson. And our today's topic is welcome to me soon, because Shima has written a letter to Jessica, and she expects that Jessica also will write a letter to Shima. Have you understood? Okay, dear students, please look at the picture. What is the boy doing? Yes, you know it very clearly. The boy has got the flu, and for this she has a runny nose, and he is covering his mouth and nose with a tissue. So what is his problem? He has a runny nose. Runny nose, that means shoddi jhora nak. When any types of water comes from anyone's nose, that times we call it runny nose. Runny nose. Please repeat after me. Runny nose. Okay. Now, again please have a look to the second picture. What is the woman's problem? Please you think. He is keeping her hand to her head. So there is a problem in her head. Okay, yes. She has a headache. Headache means matha betha. Everybody we know it. When we have pressure of work, a lot of pressure of work, when we have catch the cold, catch the rainwater, that times we have a headache. So what's the word? Headache. Headache. Matha betha. Runny nose. Shoddi jhora nak, and headache means matha betha. Please again look at the third picture. The boy is crying. So there is something, some problem in his belly, in his stomach. He is crying. So what's the problem? Yes, you know it. It is stomach ache, pet betha. So the problem is stomach ache. Stomach means pet, ache means betha. So stomach ache means pet betha. And another picture. Please look at the fourth picture. Who is she? You know? She is a girl. Maybe she is Shima's friend, or maybe she is your friend. And now she is seals. That means kapuni diye jor asha. So the word is seals. Seals means kapuni diye jor asha. So when anyone will get the flu, have got the flu, that times they also have these symptoms. These are the symptoms. Symptoms means uposarga. Symptom means lakhon. So these are the symptoms of flu. Runny nose, headache, stomach ache and seals. Have you understood it? Is it clear to you? Okay. Dear little learners, please again look at the screen. What's this? Runny nose. Please repeat after me. Runny nose, runny nose, runny nose. And then is headache, headache, headache. Third is stomach ache, and the fourth is seals. Shima has got these symptoms because she has the flu. Before we mentioned that Shima has got the flu. So Shima has that types of symptoms. What are the symptoms? Runny nose, headache, stomach ache and seals. If she feels the runny nose, headache, stomach ache and seals, that times she thinks that the circumstances, the situation is awful. So what's the word? Awful. Awful means bhayankar, bhitijonok, bhoy. Okay. So again please repeat after me. Runny nose, headache, stomachache, chills and awful. Is it clear to you? Okay, my dear learners, please. Now I am going to read. I am going to read. Please open your book at page 32. And please, you read the unit G. Read Shima's letter to her friend Jessica. I am going to read from the screen. And please move your fingers through the line. And you please listen to it very attentively. All of you are ready? Yes, you are very, very intelligent. So please listen to me. 102 Khadim Nagar, Kotwali, Sylhet, Bangladesh, 12th March 2020. Dear Jessica, how are you? How was your trip back to London? I am at home today. I have the flu. It's awful. I am coughing a lot and I have a runny nose. I am using a lot of tissues. I also have a bad headache. I can't eat very much because I have a stomach ache. But my doctor says I should eat. I also have a fever. Sometimes I am very warm. Then I get cold and have chills. It's very strange. I want to go to school again soon. My friends can't visit me here because they can get ill easily. I hope you are fine. Write to me soon. Your friend Shima. Is it okay? Dear students, again I am going to read. Please, again please. Before starting my reading, you also seen that there is a runny nose and bad headache, stomach ache and chills, and this is also awful. Okay, so 102 Khadim Nagar, Kotwali, Sylhet, Bangladesh, 12th March 2020. Dear Jessica, how are you? How was your trip back to London? I am at home today. I have the flu. It's awful. I am coughing a lot and I have a runny nose. I am using a lot of tissues. I also have a bad headache. I can't eat very much because I have a stomach ache. But my doctor says I should eat. I also have a fever. Sometimes I am very warm. Then I get cold and have chills. It's very strange. I want to go to school again soon. My friends can't visit me here because they can get ill easily. I hope you are fine. Write to me soon. Your friend Shima. Now, dear students, look at the letter again. Who has written the letter? Yes, you know, the person who writes her name at the bottom part of the letter, that means Shima. Shima has written this letter. To whom she has written it? She has written it to Jessica. So this is the letter. Okay. Now please, again look at the letter very clearly. Every letter has 5 parts. How many parts, please? Please tell me how many parts of a letter? A letter has 5 parts. When you will write a letter, that times you will maintain these 5 parts of the letter. So at first, these are the headings. 102 Khadim Nagar, Kotwali, Sylhet, Bangladesh, 12th March 2020. These are the heading of the letter. The first part of the letter is heading. So when you will write, that time you will write your address here. Okay. Then the Second part is Dear Jessica, that is greeting. And the third part is body. These are the from how to soon. These para means body of the letter. And the fourth part is your friend, that is closing. And when you will write your name, that is signature. So how many parts of a letter? I think everybody will know it. You have known to it. Heading, greeting, body, closing and signature. Again please, again I tell it. Heading, greeting, body, closing and signature. When you will write a letter, that times you must maintain, you should maintain these 5 parts in your letter. Okay. Now it's your turn. So please, everybody, you will read this letter very sincerely. Okay? Please, you will read. You have only 2 minutes to read the letter. Okay, I think you have read the letter. Now, dear little learners, please again, this is the letter. And here I have written it. And in this blank place, empty place, there I have written how are you, what's the day is going on, and what is my problem, etc., etc. So, from this letter, you will find out the following parts of the letter: heading, greeting, body, closing and signature. You will identify. Is Dear Jessica is closing? Shima, is it body? 102 Khadim Nagar, is it the closing part of the letter? Please, you will write in your khata which part is heading, which part is going to greeting, which part is body, which part is closing and the rest, that means signature. Have you finished it? Now you have known. You have already know about the 5 parts of the letter. Yes, you are most challenging students. So please, now answer the following questions. Why is Shima using a lot of tissues? Why can't Shima eat very much? Does Shima's doctor want her to eat? Why can't Shima's friends visit to her? There are only 4 questions and you will write the answer of the questions. And now you will take help from your textbook. So you will read again and you will find out the answer from the text. So why is Shima using a lot of tissues? Please, you will check with your khata. Shima is using a lot of tissues because she is coughing and she has a runny nose. Why can't Shima eat very much? The answer is she can't eat very much because she has a stomach ache. But the doctor prescribes her, please eat more and more. Does Shima's doctor want her to eat? Yes. Shima's doctor says that she should eat. And why can't Shima's friends visit to her? Shima's friends can't visit her because they can get ill easily. So these are the answer of the following questions. I think all of you have written it, and so you will match with your answers with the screen. If you have any problem, please correct from it. Now I will provide a homework for you. You are staying at home, so when you are going to read, going to study, that times you must do this homework, including the parts of the letter. Write Jessica's reply to Shima. Shima has written a letter to Jessica. Now you will write a letter to Shima according to the Jessica's reply. Use the following cues to write your letter. Write your school address. Where? In the part of the heading, you will write your school address. In the first paragraph, suggest something that Shima can do to get better. In the second paragraph, tell her about something happening at your school. And at the end of the letter, by telling Shima that you hope she gets better soon, and sign in your letter. So when you will do your homework, that times you must remind in your memory that you must use the 5 parts of the letter, including your address and including the reply to Shima. What will Shima to do to get better? Okay, these are the homework for this class. Dear students, within this lesson we have know what will we do when we get the flu. So it's the time of coronavirus, and the whole world has been affected by the COVID-19, that means coronavirus. And you are intelligent, so you think that these lessons are similar to the COVID-19 situation. So before going to my class, again I give you some suggestion. That means what will you do in your home? Please, you will stay home, and when you will stay home, that means you will stay safe. And please, when you will go out in the case of emergency, that times you must take a mask to cover your mouth and nose, and you also wash your hands 7 or 8 times, and taking soap or hand sanitizer, and till then 20 seconds you wash your hands. Please stay at home and continue your studies, then you will get better in your exam. Again we shall meet you the next class. Until that, thank you everybody and keep well. So thank you.
সংলাপ টিভি, আজ এবং আগামীর ভাবনা।